Hi guys, my name is Shuli and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I was actually ready for another video, so I thought I'll just shoot the intro for this video because this has been lying down in my gallery for so long. And actually last week I had done the Versatile Vicky egg diet. You'll be able to see my everyday weight change, and on some days I've also included what I've eaten and everything like that. I'm just gonna debunk certain myths associated with this diet. Yes, it is true that you do lose around 1 kilo every single day if you follow this diet to the T. Okay, if you do not change anything, and if you follow everything that is said in the diet and do not eat anything extra apart from what has been said, then you definitely lose 1 kilo in one day. My first day, that is Monday, I weighed around 82.5, and on Tuesday I did come down to 81.5. As I am not allowed to eat non-veg on Tuesdays, I couldn't do the diet at all on Tuesday, and I had just whatever was there at home. And the next day I didn't gain any weight. I just gained like 100 grams, so that was a good thing. I didn't lose any weight for obvious reasons, but I didn't gain any weight either. Number 3 would be when I did the diet again on Wednesday. I was around 81.6 Wednesday morning, and then on Thursday I was 80.5. So I did lose around 1 kilo again. Then Thursday I got very carried away and I just couldn't do it anymore because it was so frustrating to eat eggs and everything. It was just too bad. So I think I had 3 eggs in the morning, and then the second part where I had to have 3 eggs again, I just got so frustrated. I didn't eat those 3 eggs. So it was really frustrating. I just couldn't eat those 3 eggs. So I just was like, ab nahi hoga. So I went through the day eating normal stuff. I had parathe, I think, in the evening, which was a very bad thing to do. But despite of not doing this diet and just replacing my breakfast with only eggs, on Friday I lost around 400 grams. Instead of 1 kg, I just lost 400 grams. So yeah, you do lose 1 kilo in one day. And now it's been around a week almost, and I still weigh, I stopped this diet at 80.2, I think 80.2 or 80.3, I'm not sure. I still weigh around the same weight despite of eating normally. I haven't gained any weight. I've not lost anything either, but I've not gained any weight, and that's a good thing. So if you are looking to give yourself a little bit of motivation by starting with something just for a short period of time, lose 3, 4, 5 kgs so that you get back on track, so that you're motivated, this is a great way to do that. I would never advise you to do this for longer periods of time because this is not great. This is really low calorie and it's not good for you. You wouldn't focus, your brain wouldn't work to its complete potential. So you should not do this for really long. You should do it for 5 days and then give yourself a break for like say 2 days or 3 days and do it for 5-6 days again. When you've lost around 6 to 8 kgs, I would suggest that you go on to a healthy eating pattern where you give yourself a balanced meal, eat everything in controlled quantities, keeping the calories minimum. You don't have to go down to 900 calories. You will still lose weight even if you consume anywhere between 12 to 1600 calories depending upon your BMR. So please do this for short period of time. Don't do it for too long. You might end up having hair fall, or your body would plateau, your body would not lose any more weight further, and there is a whole plethora of problems that would happen if you continue this diet for a very long period of time. But apart from that, for shorter periods of time, for giving yourself that tiny motivation, yes, this diet works, and yes, you definitely should do it. What I have thought from now on is I would do it for 2 days every week until I am at my desired weight, and the rest of the days I'm just going to eat a high protein, low calorie diet. That is what I've thought. Let's see how this works out for me, and I'll keep you posted if I ever do this again, or if I do it for 2 weeks, and if I do it for 2 days in a week, or if I do it for 1 week in a month, or whatever. I'm just gonna keep you posted, and yeah, enjoy. So this is meal 1. I didn't have apple. Day 1 is obviously not starting off great, so I just took half a banana and this one aam ki gutli, and this is half fried 3 eggs. I have to actually rush to the dentist pretty quickly, so I didn't have time to boil my eggs, so I just made this quickly with the least amount of oil possible on a non-stick pan. And the agenda of the diet is to stick to a 900 calorie diet plan, and I'm doing that. So I'll be having the rest of like the other half of the banana with my lunch. So yeah, this is still pretty low calorie, but let's see. As in, there's a misconception that bananas or mangoes are pretty fattening or god knows what, but it's not like that. All the fruits almost are, you know, the same calories more or less. Like an apple is, I think, 95 calories and a banana is 105 calories, so it's almost the same thing. So, and also I'm just taking half of it, so it gets equalized. Like I ended up losing 1 kilo since yesterday in just like one day, but it's an unfortunate day today. I don't think I'll be able to diet today. I won't be able to eat eggs. It's a fucking Tuesday. I just put on 100 grams. So today is day 3 of my Versatile Vicky egg diet, and the weird part is yesterday was Tuesday. I am like my father is a hardcore Hindu person, and he doesn't eat non-veg on Tuesdays, doesn't allow us to eat non-veg on Tuesdays, so I couldn't do the diet at all yesterday. But the surprising part is I just gained like 100 grams. I did not gain any weight despite of eating whatever was prepared at home yesterday. Like actually I did intermittent fasting and I had my first meal around 2:30. 2:30, and then after that I didn't eat anything in the evening, and then I had a very late dinner, and I just kept myself very hydrated with green tea and water and all of those things in the middle. So I did not eat really high calories, and that is maybe the reason why I did not gain weight. Today is day 3. Today I am this is my first meal. You can see 3 eggs, and I don't have apples, and it's not even easily available because of the lockdown, so I'm eating whatever fruit I get. So today I'm eating papayas. The other day I had mangoes and bananas, and I think apples have their own benefits, but if you just want to consider the calorie aspect of it, you can eat whatever is available as long as you're counting the calories and measuring your food. And yeah, this is just I think around 100 grams or less of papayas, and cheers. So I had one more day to do the diet. Like I had to do it for the entire day on Friday and show you my final results on Saturday, but that couldn't happen because I got so demotivated on Thursday and I ate shit and I just lost 400 grams instead of the usual 1 kilo that I generally do lose. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to give this a thumbs up, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My Instagram handle is linked down in the description box below, so you can go and follow me on Instagram for my everyday shenanigans. Also, you can comment down your video requests, anything that you would want me to try, any other diet, any other workouts that you would want me to give it a go. I definitely would, and I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.